In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a shaped particles. This scene has an outer sphere, an emitter plane, a shaped mesh, and a particle mesh. I'm using an S-shaped mesh as an example, but the shape mesh can take any forms freely. This outer sphere is used to block all lights. I'm using a low polygon sphere as the particle mesh. Here are my particle settings. I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on. I'll show you the material details. I have created a shape mesh by using a curve point. If you don't see the curve point in the menu, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. Type A as in alpha, V as in Victor, and A as in alpha to smooth the curve. I'll bevel this curve, but in order for us to use this object as the shape mesh, we must convert this curve to mesh first. Please rotate the emitter mesh accordingly, and the particles will emit and move inside the shape mesh. Please remember to hide the shape mesh both from the scene and the final render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.